Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share important truths about everyday habits. Today's topic is something many people use for quick energy. Energy drinks. They promise focus. They promise power. They promise instant performance. But what is really happening inside your body? Let's start with the effect. Energy drinks contain caffeine. Caffeine stimulates your nervous system. Your heart rate increases. Your brain becomes more alert. You feel awake. This feels powerful. But this effect is temporary. Soon after, your energy drops. Your body becomes tired. This creates a cycle. You drink more. Then more. Another important factor is sugar. Many energy drinks contain high amounts of sugar. This creates rapid energy spikes. Then sudden crashes. Your system becomes unstable. Then comes your heart. Too much stimulation increases pressure. Your heart works harder. This may create discomfort, especially with frequent use. Your sleep also suffers. Caffeine stays in your system, even hours later. Your brain cannot relax. Sleep becomes weaker. You wake up tired. Then you reach for another drink. The cycle continues. But here is the truth. Energy drinks do not create real energy. They borrow it from your body, from your reserves. So what is the right way? Limit use. Avoid daily dependence. Choose natural energy sources. Sleep, nutrition, movement. Because real energy is built, not borrowed. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay aware, take care.